Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of DuckDuckGo app. We click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about DuckDuckGo and we'll find it here and you will click. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of DuckDuckGo and then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.